Hello everyone. Testing is the final stage in the design thinking process to correct and redefine the ideas that we had. And also, it's a direct purpose to collect the feedbacks for the improvement of the solution. Usually, the team of design thinkers will try to find out the problems, pains, and the user challenges via empathy, and they will arrive the good problem statement from the defined stage. And the team members will put their thoughts and bring out the feasible solutions, and they will make prototype in the prototype stage, and finally with the correction, and these prototype product will be kept for the testing phase. So to understand more about the testing phase, let me have a small story or a small incident that should make us to understand better what is exactly test stage. Usually we go to a sweet shop to purchase a kind of sweet that we had in our mind. For example, jalebi or sometimes of Mysore or something. But when we go there, the sweet seller, that sweet seller offer a voluntary product to us to taste it. Correct? Once we understand the taste, we will try to make a mindset, or we will try to get that particular sweet to us. So this is exactly the testing phase. So once we do the product, and we will keep for the showcase to the experts, like an expo, where in the expo, like experts and users will be invited to see that, and the team of design thinking will try to collect the feedback in the structured format or in the unstructured format, and whatever the critics that comes out of the test phase from the experts, the team will collect and list it down. And whatever the ended feedback it may be open-ended feedback or it may be close-ended feedback, they always try to collect the feedback and work on the feedback. Feedback is always one of the measuring tool of success, and also help for the improvement. Once we collect the feedback, and if we work on the feedback for the positive and negative one that comes out of it, so definitely it will help to tune the system. So likewise, the experts will be invited, and the real feedback from the users and the experts will be collected. And if there is any requirement, we can go back to the ideation stage and rework on it, or we can go back to the prototype stage and we can rework on it. So likewise, there is no fixed stage after the ideation. Like whenever there is a changes or the need of the demand comes, automatically in the design thinking process, we can go back and we can correct the system with the expected results. Sometimes the product, sometimes the feedback will be in the positive way, sometimes the feedback will be in the critic way, but we have to put our heads down and listen to the feedbacks of the users and feedback of the experts. So likewise, whatever it may, when you develop a product, or when you develop a solution, or when you invent a program, or when you do a software development, whatever it is, the user feedback is very, very important. So in the test stage, the product will be showcased, and on a real working condition, you will be asking the feedback and collect and work on it. So the design thinking, the test stage is the final stage. And maybe there will be a controversy in the team feedbacks or with the different feedbacks, but the team has to collect all the feedbacks and sit together and collaboratively work for solving or for improving the feedback to make the product innovative and creative. So this is how every product comes to the market. So whatever it is, the product may have several testings with the different users with a different geographical location, and the final product will be launched in the market. So this is not only applicable to the product, it is applicable to the software, it is applicable to the technology, it is applicable to the process, it is applicable to the rules, whatever it may. Definitely the test stage will be work on it. I hope the design thinking lecture series has given you a clear insight how the problems can be identified, and how the innovative solution can be given, and how does the design thinking makes the product into the startup. So I hope definitely these videos gave you an insight about design thinking and innovation, and also how it fosters to the startup. Thank you.